See this cool effect? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an image review effect using Unicorn Studio for your arrow section. First, you need two images. You can use Midjourney, Nano Banana, whatever you like. But very important, they must have the same position, same framing. The only difference is the object. In my case, I want a girl with and without helmet. So I use an image from Aura Asset. There are a lot of nice AI image there. And I choose this girl. And inside the tool, you can also remix with Nano Banana. So right now she has the glasses and I already remixed to have the exact same image, but with a helmet and diamond. So now let's jump into Unicorn Studio. First, add the image without the helmet and fit it to the artboard. I'm going to choose desktop framing. Then add the second image on top. Now we going to add a mouse trail. There are many types, but I'm going to choose review background. This is the key for this effect. Set skull and background to 0. And now let's play with the setting. Radius, I'm going to set around 60, not too small, not too big. If it's too small, it's feel aggressive. If it's too big, the review happen too fast. I want people to slowly discover the helmet. And strength around 40. I don't want it too strong. I want it soft. Hardness is also around 40. Lower hardness gives softer edges. If it's too hard, it's look like a cut out mask. I want something more subtle. And tail is around 60. This is important. The tail create that smooth tray. When you move the mouse, it make the interaction feel fluid and alive. Fluidity, it's around 20. I keep it low because too much fluidity make the image feel unstable. And dissipation is high, around 80. That means the reviews stay visible longer before fading. It's create a stronger memory of the interaction. And I'm going to set 50 for the momentum, which control how much the effect lag behind your cursor. Now let's make it more interesting. I'm going to add another mouse trail. This time, I'm going to choose pixelate. So I'm going to set the scale around 20. That control how big the pixels are. I don't want it to be too big. And I'm gonna keep the background to black. Okay, so let's go to the setting. I keep the radius smaller, around 20. This make it feel like it's scanning a specific area. I'm gonna set the strength very low at 10. I don't want strong distortion, just a subtle digital touch. And hardness is around 20, so the edge blend nicely. And tail, I'm going to set to 20. Small motion trail, nothing too much. Dissipation, I'm going to set to 20. So the pixel effect fade quickly. And momentum also 20 to so it stay responsive. So now when you move your mouse, first you review the hidden image and also you get a subtle pixel distortion on top. Okay, so now we are done with the mouse effect. Let's add some color. Right now, the helmet, it's gold, but I need more pop of color. What if I add neon purple, and lime using gradient map. So I'm going to play around with the color until I'm satisfied. If you want a black background, you have two options. You can remove the background and set the background color to black, or you can also use gradient map using black and white color. So I'm going to choose gradient map, but you don't want the face of the girl to be black. So we have to duplicate the image and remove the background. You only want to affect the background. And we need to do this because I want to add some noise, some motion behind it. So now let's add this effect. All right, so for the skew, I'm going to set it to 90 to stretch the line vertically. For the skull, I'm going to set it around 20 so the line stay thin. I'm going to reduce the brightness and glow. Brightness will be around 40 and glow around 10, just enough to feel luminous. Also, I'm going to change the color to match the gradient color that I choose for the gradient map. And I'm going to rotate the angle to 180 so the light flow vertically. And next, I'm going to add some light at the top of the girl head using bin. Change the type to point. Position it slightly above the center. This add a highlight from the top. Of course, I'm going to change the color also to match everything. And finally, the last step is I'm going to add vignette to darken the edges and push attention to the center. And voila, we're done. Of course, you can experiment and add any effect you want. Then after that, export this and paste it into any web builder like Framer, Webflow, Lovable, Lovable. So I start my arrow section and Aura build. I just need to paste my unicorn background. If you are a bit more comfortable with code, you can paste it directly inside the code panel where the main arrow section is. As you can see, the background is currently fixed, so we need to adjust that. I want the background to take the full screen and be responsive across the different screen size. Right now, it has a fixed width and height, so it does adapt properly. We need it to stretch and fill the parent container. If you are not comfortable with code, you can simply add a prompt like make my unicorn background, take the full screen, and adapt to different screen size. And also you have to paste the unicorn background code. And voila! Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video. Bye!